Hello everyone, in today's video I played the egg opening. The egg opening is a new trend that is going on in the chess world. It's a new meme and now it's going very viral. So I tried to play it by myself and I actually won the first game that I played as white with this opening. So you can play this opening with both sides and let me show you how to play it. So you play, first move you play e3, you push your e pawn and no matter what he does you push your g pawn. And no matter what he does next, you push the g pawn once again, forming the word egg, E-G-G. So after that you simply play regular and develop your pieces. So this is how the game went on. And I strike to the center, we exchange some pawns. He tried to castle, I develop my bishop, he developed his queen, I also prepare long castle. He long castles and I also long castled. And after this he played knight to e4 attacking my queen, and I played queen d3 offering him to pin his knight. So he found a way to go out of this and I attacked his knight once again and he went knight d6 protecting the queen and unpinning the knight. So we exchange queens and he also attacks my bishop, so I went bishop f2 also protecting this pawn on d4. Now he played a6, I developed my other knight, and now he played bishop f6, putting a lot of pressure on the d4 pawn, and I went king to b1, preparing knight to f4, and he played rook h7, preparing to double rooks on the h file. Here I played knight f4, and he played rook to h8, doubling the rooks, and here I took the pawn, and here black did a very brutal mistake, and took the pawn on d4 with his knight. And here I took the bishop and I attacked the rook, and in this position my opponent resigned, because after you take I can simply do like this and I'm a piece up, and this is easily winning and you cannot stop this by anything. So actually guys, this opening is working. It isn't only a meme, you can actually play it by yourself for white, for black, and see how it goes. You can play the egg gambit and you can try a lot of different stuff. So let me know how it goes in the comments and please subscribe for more videos. I love you all.